What up, y'all? Today I want to show y'all something I came across, this Mytee product. I'm not sponsored or anything like that. It's just been kind of a game changer for me. Even the traditionals, I got the ones that obviously come down. They've been great, but if I'm loading and unloading all day, man, I feel like I'm getting tendonitis on top of tree work and actually doing the real job especially at the end of the day when I have to buckle these things down, and sometimes you have to put them on, then the chain obviously loosens and then you got to redo it. Yeah, it's kind of tiring. I'm sure I'm not the only one, so I figured I just wanted to share this. So let me get my Mytee loaded up and check it out. Probably just stick to the front and just show you the traditional first, maybe. Lock this off just in case. Alright. You guys have been trucking forever, probably know a lot more about this stuff than I do, but to me, you start all the way out. Obviously it'll lock up if you go too far. Get your tension, and this isn't a tutorial or anything, and everybody, trailers and ties down differently, so feel free to comment either way. Get your attention as best you can. This is where I'm like, man, at the end of the day I can barely use my arms as it is. You're tight. And then it slips. Like, that's a great example, right? I don't have my front tied down, so I'm going to be pulling my machine forward. So this is actually demonstrating perfectly where, okay, we've got a slip event. Okay. Bind it, bind it. You're like, man, I don't want to do this over. But it keeps slipping. No. Then you're out of binder, right? So this slips, and then, while you're traveling, things will slip as well. But regardless, you kind of see what I'm saying here. So to start over, get it loose. Run it all the way out. And this is really what kills me at the end of a long day of doing trees. I'm like, I can't do this anymore. tight, you know it's going to work this time, but you just went through all that effort to get to that point. So, good Lord. All right. I will still have these forever, but I probably will never use them again. So, if you're familiar with your traditional ratchet straps, this is the same thing. I'm in a unlocked position right now, I think. Yeah. So you're cranking to unlock it, and I'll show you. Once it's binded as well, it pops, but this is loose. Alright. So, just start all the way out. Look at all this space you have. Alright. That's it. You're locked. Want it to be tighter? Let me pull this over. Alright. Let's keep cranking. Keep cranking. Lock it. You're set. I mean, like I said, not sponsored, but this is pretty sweet. So to unlock it, pop. You're out. On your way. There you go, folks. Hope this helps anybody, but have a great day.